YouTube viewers. This is me again, our influencer, and today's video we are going to talk about brand kit. Okay then, so what is a brand kit and why is it important? Okay, YouTube viewers, a brand kit or branding kit is the overall visual identity or representation of your brand. These includes logo designs, fonts, color palette, patterns and templates, graphic tagline, and your brand's tone of voice and guidelines. And why is it important? So it separates you from the competition and it will help you be more focused and consistent. And that is all for today's video, and if you like this video you may hit the thumbs up and subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much and see you next time.